First thing we're going to explain in this video is the difference between velocity and speed to be able to understand what is velocity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Its equation is speed equals distance over time. And examples of speed, we can say 80 kilometers per hour or 15 meters per second. Whereas the velocity is a vector quantity, it is the speed in a particular direction. So the main components of the velocity here is the speed and the direction. The speed has the same value of the actual speed in addition to the direction. Equation of velocity. Velocity equals increase in displacement over time taken. We mentioned in another video that the displacement is a vector quantity. It represents the distance in a certain direction. For example, this car. If we say this car is moving 80 kilometers per hour, here we mean the speed. But if we say it is moving 80 kilometers per hour to the south, we mean the velocity. Units of velocity. The unit of displacement is the same one as the distance, kilometers, meters, and centimeters. And the time, we know their units, so basically the velocity has the same unit as of the speed, which are kilometers per hour, meter per second, and centimeter per second. We have two types of velocity. The first type is the instantaneous velocity, which is the velocity at a particular instant in time. So it is the speed and direction of a moving object at an instant of time. One way to know the instantaneous speed is the speedometer of a car. We explained how to do so in another video. The second type of velocity is the average velocity. We only need the initial velocity and the final velocity to get this average velocity. We noticed that the velocity and speed are similar in a lot of characteristics. So later when solving questions, if they ask us to get the velocity, we can use the speed equation. We only need to use the velocity equation if the direction is mentioned in the question.